ask me, huh?
You know.
You could never be next to me on my energy. I'm too fly for you, I'm too handsome, I'm too wavy, I'm too swaggerish. I'm too much of a money man for you, you're a boy to me.
Listen up, big got shot and he lied. They try to slide but that Joe got denied. Talk about them, I get any man fried. I see them in bins but real life they hide. I treat them hoes like Instagram pics, can't more to my tap then slide. You know. Hit that bitch in the back of the dick. She don't know this car just come from a glass. She don't know this car just come from the Head to my step, there's now but buying. One got shaved and another got whacked. Both sent live corn right straight through your spine. Big should I had a name Spider-Man. Can't see a man hop on the wall then climb. Gang got balls so we slid everywhere, yeah we caught you. Just a perfect time. They don't want smoke so they smoking on vape. If see white jazz to the red scene tape. Man can't say I don't bang in my ops. He must be on crack like TPO. I only do this thing live in the streets. I ain't doing rap beef like Kendrick and Drake. For the love of the money, I made a bad beef like pounds for the stage. I'm keeping it steady, I gotta think wiser. She just want D, so I flung it on Kaiser. Backhand grip when I grip from my blade. D2, I'm more schooled like Wesley Snyder. I don't like her, but I kinda. She just want bad man all up inside her. She didn't wanna know when I was driving a micro and I'm in a spaceship, Tinsy Strider. I'm keeping it steady, I gotta think wiser. She just want D, so I flung it on Kaiser. Backhand grip when I grip from my blade. D2, I'm more schooled like Wesley Snyder. I don't like her, but I kinda. She just want bad man all up inside her. She didn't wanna know when I was driving a micro and I'm in a spaceship, Tinsy Strider. Yeah, scored in the field, he ain't doing his duties. Loose gang in the Lucy's, breakfast eat with all of my VVs. Back in my prime, I was trapping in Yeezys. Rated the kicks in my feet has 2 C's. And my car really cost about 2 G's. Remember that period of time, bro, skis some more wax and he squeezed on boobies. Sure, he's sweet like creme de la creme. Sweet one. Lift up the firing skate, got done for free, now I didn't have to spend. I didn't have to speak, when we did was quang. Shush got with a small FN and he ain't very back, come tell me since when. Turn up. If you talk about flip, better make sure the old we set that trend. She done laps in the block more thorough. She said she know me, I don't know her. I made raps if I knock your blower. Probably the reason your light went slower. You know. We had so much baddies in art, they was coming in 2 by 2 like Noah. D2 I don't kiss and cuddle. More time these Barbies only go lower. I'm keeping it steady, I gotta think wiser. She just want D, so I flung it on Kaiser. Backhand grip when I grip from my blade. D2 I'm more schooled like Wesley Snyder. I don't like her, but I kinda. She just want bad man all up inside her. She didn't wanna know when I was driving a micro and I'm in a spaceship, Tinsy Strider. I'm keeping it steady, I gotta think wiser. She just want D, so I flung it on Kaiser. Backhand grip when I grip from my blade. D2 I'm more schooled like Wesley Snyder. I don't like her, but I kinda. She just want bad man all up inside her. She didn't wanna know when I was driving a micro and I'm in a spaceship, Tinsy Strider.
Now staging. SRV separation confirmed. Coming up on staging, the burnout of these twin solid rocket boosters at 2 minutes 5 seconds.
Hey, babe, don't get me wrong, I've had a long tour. Wednesday, a reefer dirty. Thursday's bonjour. Heard they was trying to push their word on me to conform. Every night a trend dies, another one's born. I can never live my life while trying to watch yours. Spying out the eye hole of the front door. Sometimes I reference all the lessons I was once taught. Back then I reckon we were brethren, now I'm unsure. Babe, don't get me wrong, I'm trying to keep tips, chef's kiss, she longing for it. She wanna connect lips and get a tongue for responses, no lies on up front, that's what you said you wanted. Every time I paid the price of being honest. Could've swiped it, but I might just pay for $8.
straight, now I'm in good care. So try no, I ain't walking in no house if there's budge there.